Alrighty, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Kaboom Foam-Tastic with OxiClean cleaner. This is a bathroom cleaner, as you can see right here. I use this, really in the bathroom, just in my shower actually mostly. Although you can use it for a pretty wide array of uses, but that's what I've always kind of used it for. It's really solid. I think it's important for everyone to have a very, very specific bathroom cleaner in their house, and one that specifically works for tiles as well, because if you have a tile shower, you know it can get very, very dirty. You can get mildew, you can get gross stuff on it, and it's good to just keep your tiles clean and keep that mold, because not only does it look gross when it's on there, but it can be very, very unhealthy in the end for you to have all that mold. So that's the reason I got this. Basically, wanted to kind of take out the guesswork, you can call it, of whether or not the cleaners that I was using in my bathroom or on my tile were actually working. I know this is like specific for tile, so I'm like, okay, this can work. So essentially how it works: spray on to your shower. You're going to stand, it does have a really, really wide spray nozzle. This is what the spray nozzle looks like. It's green on top, very, very typical. So it's like a spray paint can. But you do want to stand away because it does have a very wide spray to it. So something I usually kind of keep it, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches away, let's call it that. Not obnoxiously far, but, enough where you can get a pretty wide spray on the surface. What's going to happen is it's going to shoot out this blue foam. Blue foam essentially is going to sit there and eventually turn white. And the cool thing is, when it starts to turn white and when it starts to run, that's when you know that it's working. Basically, goes on contact, it breaks things up, breaks up all the stains that are on your walls, and it kind of you just watch it drip down. It's a very, very fast process. And I love the fact that it goes from blue to white, because you essentially know, hey, it's done, you're ready to go. You're solid. One thing I will say is that I do not like the scent on here. It is labeled as fresh scent. I would not call this a fresh scent whatsoever. It is very, very chemically based. It's, definitely not as strong of a smell as like bleach or something like that. Although it does have a chemical smell. You're probably not going to like it if, you have to shower right after or use your bathroom within like the next hour after cleaning, because you are going to smell it unless you have some sort of, pretty solid ventilation in there. But, you get what you get, I guess. When it is done, you do have to wipe it off. It's not going to just stay on the walls, of course. So you do have to have a sponge handy, or at least like a cloth, wet water. You let it run off. But the other thing it does do is it doesn't stay on. It doesn't leave any residue, which is nice. Even though it is soapy, it's not like very like sudsy, so you won't get a bunch of just random things of this soap all over your wall. So it's very, very easy to wipe, to rub off, and pretty much good to go. Sometimes you do have to use this twice. That's one thing that I've learned when using it. Sometimes it's not going to work all at once. It's it's going to eat away, it's going to turn white, you're going to wipe it down and be like, whoa, what the heck? My walls are still a little bit dirty, what's going on here? Well, you just do it again, and you'll probably be good to go after the second time. Sometimes you got layers of dirt on your wall, and you really need to just go crazy with this. But the cool thing is, it does a lot of the tough work for you. You don't need to put as much elbow grease into it when you're using it, which is nice. Other thing that's nice about this is it is very large. It is 19 ounces, as you can see. And so, it's going to last you quite a while. You could probably get, I would say 20-something uses out of this. Yeah, maybe not that many. Maybe like 15 at the most. Depending on, how many areas you're using it in. But it is large. It's going to last you a long time. You can typically buy these in packs as well. So, you'll have them around for a very long time. Yeah, if you're looking for a good shower cleaner, if you have tiles in your shower, you need to get rid of any of that mildew, what else is it clean? Calcium, lime, all that stuff, all that nastiness. I would highly recommend this Kaboom with OxiClean Foam-Tastic Fresh Scent. Take it, and take it easy.